doing a gifted campaign, right? Is it a gifted campaign?
Collaboration.
Gifted collaboration. Gifted collaboration. Still don't, I mean, I've been doing this for years and can't remember. The words change all the time. But with Luv Co, it's a black-owned brand, makeup brand, and this is their foundation. The foundation is actually really good. I think it's waterproof, because when I swatched it on my hand before, it like was kind of tough to get off with just water. So that's really impressive. So this is, I normally wear Marquises and Nars, and they said that, and then around my perimeter, I'll do Max NW45. And so they said that formulation wise and color wise, they like have some sort of, something that they do scientifically that helps to match, so we can, you know, like kind of match, like a lot of different websites, makeup websites have like, you can match your color to, you know, so that you can pick your best color. So that's this. And then they sent me this brow, I think it's a brow, yeah, sculpting pomade. It's darker than what I typically like, but I think it still just works. It works fine.
Where's it?
On my
Oh yeah, I think it looks good.
Yeah, you like your brows dark.
No, they're not that dark.
They just seem dark to me. But I mean, it's not bad, and I do have to get a hang of using it because I'm not used to using a brow pomade for my brows. But I think I would like it once I get the hang of it, because you can always tone down your brows. That's what I do with my brow pencils, because they are always too dark too. So I usually use the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. Love this. That's a really good is great. And then they sent me this Pigment in the shade Mood. So I used it as a blush. So I don't know if you guys can see this or not, but like that's it on my hand. And then it's on my cheeks. So I did use it as a blush. At first I was like, I don't know if I want to use it as a blush, but then I see how it looks on here and it's really pretty. It's bronzy. So you can use it as like a bronzer. You can use it, what else did I read? I read somewhere, I can't remember. But yeah, you can use it for an eyeshadow. Anything you can use a pigment for, you can use that. And I use that over my, I need to get the big one of these, but it's the Rose Latte cream blush. So I love this stuff. Really, really, really love this stuff. Let me stop this. And then they sent me this lip gloss that I really, really like. I love it's just a little tinted color. So that's what I have on right now. That's what you were seeing me put on. It's in the shade Ride or Die. So, and then they sent a vitamin C oil. Don't know where it is. It's not over here. But I have to read the ingredients to see if I can use that, because like certain oils break me out because I'm acne prone. So yeah, I was just doing my little makeup routine for the gram. So I'm going to post this on Instagram very soon, and then you guys will be able to see by the time that this is posted, it'll probably already have been posted. But that's my makeup routine that you didn't see, but you saw some products.
Hey guys, it's August 1st and I am 236. I'm really excited about that because I came from 262 when I started with my weight loss, and I'm 236. The way that I usually do things and how I eat and the time that I eat and all those things, within the first 3 days of the month, I should be at 229 by the end of this 3 days. So what I do is I'll eat a salad in the evenings, like late in the evening, and I drink water, or I'll eat fruit as well. So I'll have like a big salad, have fruit, water, you know, all of the healthy foods. No meat, no eggs, no cheese, no nothing on the salad. No sides, no cooked food, no nothing. Everything is raw. Like the first week is usually the most healthy for me and Kim. The days after the first 3 days is like maybe salmon and some salad. We'll go back to cooked vegetables, but still no meat. No highly seasoned foods. I really don't care for highly seasoned food anyways. And so hopefully I'll go from 236 to 229. And that's so exciting for me because I've not been 220 anything since before the pandemic. So y'all, I'm excited. I'm about to get up, do my morning routine, and pray, read my word, and yeah, go get my nails done too. We have a nail appointment. I'll be vlogging regular like style, or like as we normally do. I'll be vlogging that way, showing you guys all the things that I do throughout the day, but this will be a more like health centered focused type vlog. And I'll show you guys my scale victories. I'll show you the foods that I eat, and yeah, all of those things too. So I'll talk to you guys soon.
That's pretty.
What is that?
Yeah, it's like a rebel rose. I wonder what this looks like on. Sir, do you guys have a swatch of this that I can see?
Hey guys, so I am here at the nail salon and I'm about to pick out my color, and then I am going to sit down and get my hands and feet done. Is it 5? Yeah, it's 5 something, 5:20. I am a bit hungry, but like I ain't tripping. Like I'm good. I'm not doing like no complaining or nothing, no hangry pains. You guys, this is the best. Oh my gosh, I love Clinique Moisture Surge. Y'all, it's the best for hydration. And yeah, it's probably the best moisturizer that I've used like since doing all of my skincare stuff.
Out of my pieces.
Hate when that happens. Oops, sorry. The oil on the bottom of my foot made me slip on this shoe. So guys, we're here at Ulta and I am really just looking around. Still haven't eaten anything, and I'm about to go to the grocery store and pick up a couple of items. Then we'll go home and make us some dinner. Hey guys, so this is my dinner for tonight. I have some watermelon here, some olives, and I have a cup of oranges. I poured the juice off of the oranges. Actually, I had a banana earlier, and then I had a cup of oranges as well earlier too. And yeah, so this is gonna be my dinner. I'm gonna have a bottled water. I'm gonna watch some TV, and I'm going to head to bed. Y'all, I'm 2:34 this morning. I'm so excited. Everything is going according to plan. If you are diligent and consistent, you're gonna lose the weight. Again, like this is one of the things that me and Kim do in the beginning of the month, and it has really yielded us great results. So if you wanna lose weight, try doing this. Like, you may not go as hard as us. And I think what it is being consistent and taking away things that you are normally used to having. Every day, me and Kim, we go out to eat. Like, we don't really cook at home. Funny thing is, our mom is canning a lot. Like, she's gotten into canning, so she has this whole like canning system at home. She's been sending us some of the things that she cooks. And we had her teriyaki chicken, and we still ordered noodles from this place here called Lake Colonial. But it went so good together. But I mean, either way, still, mom is canning, and so she sent us some things here, and one of the things that we had the other night was teriyaki chicken, and it was really good. That is like another step to like doing something different to have different results. Me and Kim don't consume a lot of food. We consume a lot of calories, and I think that if you know the difference between the two, you're able to also deal with it like as well deal with your health and your weight loss goals and all those things. You're able to deal with those things properly. But I'm so excited, you guys, because this just really proves that when you're diligent and you're really putting forth an effort, you'll get to your goal weight. I'm gonna talk to y'all in a little bit. I'm about to finish my skincare, and I will yeah, I'm gonna show you guys a product. I'm gonna show y'all a product. Just finished with my skincare, but the last step, I've added this this brand called Strivectin into my routine. It's a tighten and lift peptide neck tightening serum. And so this is actually the last step. Usually my last step is my La Roche-Posay moisturizer with an SPF, but this goes on last even after that. And so I'm going to show you guys how I use it. So what you do is you squeeze the contents out of, no you ain't trying to explode or whatever you're trying to do didn't. Okay, good, none failed. All right, and so you, don't cut up on me. Okay, so you do like a thin layer of the serum on your neck. Okay, you close it up, because if you don't, and you close it up this way, because if you don't close it up, then it's going to squeeze out even more, and you don't need that. So all you do is roll it on your neck, and yeah, it removes the lines on your neck, so it gives you a more youthful neck. I'll be 40 in November. I want to get rid of my necklines, and yeah, I want to take care of my body more so than anything. You know, we're in the gym, we're eating better, making better decisions and things like that, and I want to do better with my body overall. And so this is just one of those things. So yeah, so you are using the little roller thing. I'm not gonna touch it because I don't want to like mix bacteria and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, you roll the roller thing. So roll the serum basically into your necklines, okay, in an upward motion. And then you also go here in the jawline. So it's basically sculpting. And so sculpting is, you know, also good for the jawline and any part on your face that you want to be more pronounced, because I believe inflammation settles in those areas and you're basically massaging that stuff out. But yeah, so this though helps to tighten the skin and removes those lines. And yeah, I thought, you know what, let me show them. And then you just rub it on in the back area of your neck. So in an upward motion again, you're rubbing it into your skin, and then you pat the rest into your skin. Yeah, so I'm about to read my word, and I am about to pray and continue on with my day.
So we just got done working out in the gym. This is our third workout this week. Today's supposed to be a rested workout, but we just did, I guess, the kind of the treadmill workout that we normally do. What I'm wearing, I got this jacket from Zella, or from Nordstrom, and it's by Zella. I love this jacket. It has like a little drawstring situation here so that it can be cropped. And then I got this Nike top a long time ago, I think from the Nike outlet. And then I have on these Nike leggings that I think I got also from the Nike outlet here. And then these very old Nike sneakers. I'm looking for some new sneakers. I'm looking at the On Cloud sneakers because I heard that they're really comfortable. I don't need anything too squishy, so guys, if you ever tried them, let me know.
I feel like an outfit is not really an outfit unless you are done with all accessories. And My accessories for today are, oh yeah, my Tory Burch earrings, y'all. These are my favorite earrings. And then these sunglasses here. So, yeah, super cute. Very cute look. Just chill and relax, but chilled and relaxed like we got some sense, because, y'all, I'm tired of walking around here with just leggings and a t-shirt on. It's trifling. For me, anyways. You do what you want to do. That's really cute. I like how it sparkles.
Yeah, that is gorgeous. That's what brought me in.
Oh, okay. It's loud in this H&M. It's so loud. Say that again! So the 3 days are over and I have done pretty good. I did not make it to 229, but I made it to 231. And I am still excited and grateful for that, because I am closer to the 220s than I've been in a very long time. And so I'm really grateful. Thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. And I hope that it was kind of insightful for you, helpful, and did nothing except for to push you towards reaching your own goals and being happy and proud of yourselves. So me and Kim love y'all. We appreciate you for being here. For those of you who are new, thank you so much for joining. Thank y'all again for watching. Love y'all. Peace.